All children and adolescents should have access to items and opportunities to maintain personal hygiene in school settings, according to a statement from the American Academy of Family Physicians. Unfortunately, this isn't the case for many students. And we know that not having personal hygiene products such as soap, deodorant, toothpaste, and feminine hygiene products can have a detrimental impact on students. Without access to proper hygiene products, absenteeism, bullying, and illness can increase for students. So, the College of Education is going to help. We're going to be utilizing DSU's Day of Service as an opportunity to create hygiene kits for schools in Madison. You can help by making a donation today. Your donation will be used to purchase items such as deodorant, toothpaste, shampoo, and lotion. Our College of Education students will organize all of the items and deliver the hygiene kits to schools in Madison on September 18th, 2019. Help students in need by making a donation today.